lovely to be able to open this space to others to share and to welcome different cultures, different institutions, and everyone here. Yeah, it's gonna look amazing. Yes.
Books don't talk about now, they talk about the future.
I like to make people happy, and performing, I feel happy, so I want to make other people feel that way as well.
Welcome to the University of Kent. A few months ago, I approached East Kent Schools Together network to say, could we work together? I run a project called Performing International Plays, and the Archbishop School in Canterbury was enthusiastic in accepting our offer to work together. So what we proposed was to bring together a group of students who had a native language different from English and bring them together with students whose first language was English. When we settled on Ukrainian as our source language, we then proposed to the students a set of 3 plays, and they helped us choose this play. We had a hugely ambitious plan, which is to translate a play and stage it for you in 2 days. Well, you'll be the judges, but I think we achieved that goal. And the only reason why we were able to achieve that goal is because we had a fantastic group of students who were amazing, and also because we had a team of fantastic facilitators.
What have I done to you?
What is the problem? You are so kind, so compassionate.
Our school runs on values and vision, which is about making sure that everyone flourishes and reaches their full potential. We have welcomed over 200 refugees that have come into the school over the last 2 years, and we're the most diverse school within the city of Canterbury. So we have 50 different languages that are spoken as a first language that isn't English, and it is all about giving people a sense of belonging and making them feel a part of our community. As a project, this ties in exactly to what we want to achieve.
Stop! Come back!
It was really fun. It was like, I loved it. I gained a lot of confidence. I learned how to speak up more as well.
I think it was really fun interacting with other people and like constructing the play bit by bit, like translating, configuring, stuff like that.
I like drama. I also pick drama for GCSE because I like to like something artistic. Yeah. I like to translate the scenario from Ukrainian to English because it's like it's improving my language, yeah, my vocabulary, and yeah, that was actually very fun, and I liked it. I enjoyed it.
I think these kinds of projects, they're incredible because they basically enable different cultures to mix, and they're amazing in the sense that there's also an ownership of where you've come from, and an ownership and sense of identity, but also sharing that, and there's like a richness, there's a deep richness in that, in being able to like share people's stories and connect over that. And it's so nice to see people who wouldn't necessarily connect and like be interested and excited.
It's a very valuable experience for kids. On the first day, they were kind of communicating in their own groups, like Ukrainian kids were with Ukrainian kids, British kids with British, and so on. But at the end, they were all participating. You could hear all the languages and they all understood each other, and they were making their own piece, and it was absolutely amazing. This is what culture does to people.
По-перше, я хочу подякувати Маргариті за цей чудовий проект, тому що вона підняла таку дуже важливу в нашому сучасному світі тему за такий короткий час, і вона допомогла дітям здружитися, реалізувати їхні leadership, як це, Боже, якості лідерства, впевненість. Вони показали. Я побачила свого сина особисто з іншої сторони. Я дуже пишаюсь ним і дійсно вдячна. Дякую за запрошення.
For me personally, it's been really rewarding to see this fantastic opportunity that students get to experience a really culturally beneficial opportunity, I think, and to have their members of their family come and see it as well, not just me from a professional point of view. I think the fact that it's not just a particular group of students, it's Russian, Ukrainian students, performing arts students, some speaking English as an additional language, some who are who just speak English. To have all of them in a cross section involved in a genuinely collaborative, inclusive way, I think is fantastic. So I think the more the merrier. If we can get more schools involved, that would be great.
Before this project, I was losing interest in performing arts and I wanted to drop out. Because of this project, I'm gonna stay.